Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you why you're not getting heat to your Chevy Cruze or Chevy Sonic heated seats. It's actually a common problem with a lot of Chevy and GM products. It's when you press your heated seat button and it goes off after a few seconds, like so. In my case, it's just the driver's side. To show you what should happen when we press the passenger side, it lights up and it stays lit up until your heated seat gets warm. Now there's a few reasons why this might be happening, and one of them is that your seat heating element is not getting power. But in my case, because one of the seats is working, I know that there is power running to the seats. If both your seats are not heating, then it might be a power issue. If the lights aren't coming on at all, then it probably definitely is a power issue, and there's a control module box right underneath the seat here, only under the driver's seat. It's good for both seats, and I'll put in the description a link to that part. That's probably the part you need to replace right there. But if power is not your issue, then it's most likely that the heating element within your seat is broken at some point, causing no conductivity, which causes a fault down in that control module box. In turn, has the light on your control here turning off after only a few seconds. Now there's two heating elements, one inside the seat cushion and one inside the backrest, and there's no real way to tell which one would be causing the fault, or maybe both have a broken connection. Now GM does offer a replacement cushion. You have to buy the whole cushion that includes the heating element, but unfortunately it seems like on their website they've discontinued the seat cushions for the Chevy Sonic years, for the backrest and the seat cushion, which totally sucks. But I'll put a link in the description with the part numbers just in case you can track one down on eBay or something. I haven't been so lucky. I'm unable to find a cushion online, so I'm tracking my local junkyard for when they get a Chevy Sonic in, and I'm just gonna pull the entire seat out and swap it out, easy peasy. But whether or not you go my route to replace the entire seat, or you're able to find those cushions, you're gonna have to take the seat out to bring it into your workbench and work on it without having to break your back bending and trying to access everything. Don't be alarmed, it's real easy to do. Under the seat, there's just one wiring harness under here that you're going to disconnect. Make sure to disconnect your battery before you disconnect that wiring harness underneath. And there's no bolts up front, they're just hooks, and they'll come out once you get the rear bolts out. And those rear bolts are Torx 50, one right here inside the track, and over here on the driver's side, you got to push a plastic piece out of the way, and it's hiding right underneath there. Once you get those two bolts out, you're able to dislodge the front of the seat from the hooks and take the whole seat right out of your car. Again, I haven't found a replacement cushion or an entire seat to swap out yet, so I'm not taking this seat out, which I apologize for. Normally I like to have a complete fix in a video that I put out, but at least this gets you on the right track, helps you initially diagnose what the problem might be with your heated seats, and I'm going to link those part numbers down below so you can start your own search. And fingers crossed, when I hopefully do manage to find an entire seat or replacement cushions, I'll definitely put an entire video out demonstrating the process. And if you've watched and this video helped you diagnose your problem, and most definitely if you were able to fix your seats or find those cushions online somewhere, let us know in the comments. I love reading them. I always make sure to reply, and hearing from you guys that my videos were helpful really means a lot.